Hello, my name is Katlyn, and I'm an upcoming senior in high school. My English 4 class got me to really think about and research the issue on privacy rights today. That being said, I would like to thank this panel for this opportunity to speak about those privacy rights that affect Americans. The question I have for you to think about today is, are Americans' lives being kept private or becoming publicized? Most people would say that Americans' lives are still private. However, I would have to disagree on that statement. Based on my research, I found multiple reasons why I agree that they are becoming publicized. I understand that the topic privacy is a tricky subject to argue. However, I ask for your full attention during my speech. As Americans, we have the right to freedom in multiple subjects that include speech, religion, and press. However, privacy is not a freedom we own today. Americans' private lives have been invaded, and no one has stopped the government from their wrongdoing. There are a lot of rights in America, and the most important one is being ripped out of our hands. Privacy has been taken away to provide security. However, they should be balanced, not one over the other. Americans should feel safe living in the land of the free because of the brave. However, they don't because their privacy has been invaded. The lack of privacy in the United States is a vast problem that should be a priority to restore. In the early days of America, privacy didn't have to be a right because it was simply understood. Privacy invasions came with the invasion of the Twin Towers on September 11, 2001. This was a devastating time for American citizens. These 4 attacks that happened on this horrifying day killed and injured more people. Sadly, privacy ends where crime begins. These attacks took away many lives as well as the privacy of the United States citizens. One article called Privacy Rights taught and discussed how 9/11 was the reason that privacy was invaded. Another article that helps my opinion on privacy rights is the article called Privacy and Democracy, What Geeks Understand That the Left Doesn't. This article talks about democracy and how it's supposed to be for the people, by the people. However, taking away the people's privacy rights is not helping. It is creating a simply chaotic country. Another article that I really enjoyed reading was Viewpoint, Smartphones, Contents of the Mind, and the Fifth Amendment. This discussed how the government has the technology and the programs to get into our smartphone and read our personal data. They can read our phone data and our internet data, which contains private information. If they're going to do this, it needs to have proof of criminal action. They cannot do this to innocent people. It is simply wrong and unconstitutional. The private lives of American citizens help people feel secure and trustworthy in our government. Taking away their privacy rights is not helping. It is simply going to become a chaotic country with no trustworthy people. Thank you for your time, and I hope I have changed your mind on the privacy rights of America.